help you up. Come on. Oh, look at the baby. He's trying to escape. Hey, are you trying to escape? Hey, are you trying to escape?
Watch out, move. We're trying to get
Are you trying to escape? He's trying to escape.
Let's go over there.
He's planning a secret mission. Nothing. He's trying to plan his secret mission on escaping. I want to escape.
He wants to play with the other dog.
He does want to. I love it, Isaac. Yeah, you trying to escape, Bubba? You trying to escape? Huh? You being a good boy? He said, I'm very playful. So wait, how much money did we put on him?
500.
Jesus, already? What are you doing? What are you doing? I play with you. What are you, hey!
You should apply for the job here.
Why?
Because we could get him faster.
Hey, don't bite her. I'm gonna bite you.
Stop trying to pickpocket me.
Yeah, don't pickpocket her. I'm gonna pickpocket you.
Where's your money?
Where's your money?
Where's your hands at?
Put your hands up. Where's your money?
Where's your
Oh,
money?
his little paws are so cute.
Give me the money.
Woof, woof, woof.
This is all my you guys up.
He said, where's the little monies?
Hey,
Hey, Chewy.
give me the money.
Give me your money. Give me
Give
your
me
money.
the money.
Give me your money. Yeah. Where's the money? Huh, where's the money?
Where's the money?
Where's your money?
What you got? No, I'm wobbling you. Where's the money?
Where's your money?
You can't be cute if I'm trying to wobble. Tell him. Say he can't be cute if
You
you were
can't
trying.
be cute if you want to not give us the monies.
You can't
What
be
are you
cute when
doing?
we're trying to rob you.
We're trying to rob you and you can't be cute. I want to see if they still have a pug here. Like I played with last
Hi.
night.
Hi, sir.
Sir.
How you
Sir,
doing?
You're so smooth.
Sir, you have a right to remain silent.
Oh, he won.
Excuse me.
Your poor baby.
Chewy,
Chewy, look at me. It's okay, Bubba.
you have the right to remain silent.
Oh, you poor baby.
Excuse me. You have the right to remain cute. Anything you do.
You better stop it.
Chewy.
Oh, he's so sad.
Okay. I got a piece, so we gotta watch.
No! I love him. What are you trying to do, Bubba? He's trying to eat my hair, which is what you're trying to do.
You're trying to braid it.
There's one more dog I want to play with.
No, I have to peach her. Maybe we
Like
can
how
go
bad?
back.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10. Be in the worst.
Hey, don't do that. Hey, wait, let me see something. Look. Look.
Look, he's teething.
Look,
He has barely any teeth.
Ah!
Look, he
I
has
was trying to do
barely
the jaw chin thingy.
He has barely any teeth. Look at him.
Whoop. Oh, look, did you see what I did? Look at him, Whoop. No, give him kisses. I forget how old he is. How old are you, Chewy?
2 weeks.
How old are you, Butt?
About 3 weeks. Can I say, be careful with me?
You're
Can I
so
say, be
playful.
careful?
He's so playful. He's trying to pickpocket you again. Oh.
Excuse me. I need the money. Put your hands up.
Put your hands up.
I need the
Put
money.
your hands up. We need your monies. Put your hands up. We need your monies.
Where's the money?
Where's the money?
We
Where's the
pickpocket
money?
food.
Oh,
Where's
look
the
at his
money?
little paws. Oh, look at his little paws. Thank you for licking me. I put you down
He
now.
was giving you kisses.
I know he was. I said thank you. Sometimes I get a good feeling.
Look.
Yeah. He's gonna jump. He's trying to pickpocket you still. Are you trying to give me your money?
That's what we should do.
What? Take a picture?
What should we?
That's when they adopt them. That's after you adopt the dog.
We need to adopt him. Faster.
Stop, Chewy. He's like. He's on an emotional roller coaster right now. Did you see what he did with his tongue?
Hold this and record him.
Hi, Chewy. Wait, hold on, let me see him. Oh, he's so cute. Ah, he's got me. He's got me. Ah, he gonna beat me up. Where's the money? Where's your money? Huh?
Darcy,
Where's your money? Where's your money? Where's your money? Oh, you're so cute. Look at his little eyes, you guys. He's so pretty. He just has stinky doggy breath. He's just so pretty, though. He's like, I go hide now. Oh, no, I try to escape. I want you to escape. Ah! Take it back. Take it back. He's like, I tried to escape. Oh, look at his little face. Woo!
Say bye. Bye.
Ah, your paw. Okay, here. You want me to stop it?
Yeah. Can't touch this.
You were supposed to stop it when he pressed the camera.
Can't touch this. Ready? So, say, don't forget to
Say
like.
bye.
Look, Chewy, say
Chewy.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Bye.
And ask for more videos.
Bye-bye.
Bye.